Question for you. Who are the best and possibly the most popular jump ropers out there on the social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, etc.? Any guesses? This is the name which figures at the top of the list when we search for jump rope on YouTube or on any other social media platform. Jump rope dudes. That is one. In addition to JRD, there are a few other very popular jump ropers like Kathy Jumps, Phoenix Nation, and many more. So how would you feel if these top-class jumpers shared their knowledge, skills, experience, workout routines, tutorials, tips on jump rope with the learners like you and me? It would be fantastic, right? What I'm talking here is a new feature update on the CROSSROPE app. It's called the classes. Here what you see is, for example, these are all the trainers who are there on this classes section. One is you have JRD, then you have Phoenix Nation, you have Kathy Jumps, and then there are two super jumpers who are the CROSSROPE coaches, Jenica and Chad.
Welcome. What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna get a nice little 10-minute jump rope workout in. And really what I want you to do is just get acquainted with my style of skipping, which is all about simplicity, but at the same time getting after it and getting a really intense workout in. So just going regular bounce to start off here. And thanks for having me. All right, go ahead and rest, guys. So 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 10 minutes. All we're doing is we're gonna be using the quarter pound for this entire workout, and it's just going to be jump rope. So next up, let's do boxer skip. Now, if you can't do some of the moves that I'm doing, that's totally fine. You could just do regular bounce for this whole workout. I just want you moving. So let's go boxer. I'll turn to the side so you guys can see. But again, just trying to get your own flow going. So obviously follow me and model what I'm doing, but as you guys know, jump rope is all about finding your own, flow, style, form. So let's get after it. All right, guys, let's go heel taps next. Heel taps. And try to pick up the pace as we go throughout this workout. Good. And don't forget, form is everything. Notice how I got my elbows in as far as they can go, up on my toes, shoulder blades are back, looking straight ahead. Good, guys. Here we go. Next up, we're gonna go lazy side step, or what I call lazy side step. So it's gonna be like this. Here we go, check it out. So one foot hits the middle and has all the weight on it, while the outside foot just lightly taps. Back and forth, back and forth. Come on. 10 seconds, come on.
Okay, I just paused the workout now. The space isn't very comfortable to jump. I keep feeling that the rope is going to hit my sofa or the TV stand. I'll continue the workout after switching off the video. I hope you liked the video. The idea of the video was to share with you how this new feature on the CROSSROPE app looks and feels. So in case you have any comments, questions, feedback, do leave it in the comments. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye bye.